Okay. Hello students. So welcome back to class. So as per our discussion, we started our vector calculus. So in that we covered so many points, and today also we have to see some basic examples on dot product. Then go for another property, it is the cross product of the vectors. Okay. So let's consider an example here. So what is the example? If magnitude of A is equal to be 2 units and magnitude of B is equal to be 3 units, and we have theta is equal to be, it is 45 degree. Theta is equal to be, it is 45 degree. So then find vector A dot vector B. So this is what one question it is. So let's write, I will write here another question here. If vector A is equal to be I plus 2j minus k, and vector B is equal to be I minus 2j, it is plus k. Okay. So then find A dot vector B dot. So look at here. In the both case, the both examples are different here. In this case, they given here magnitude of vector A, magnitude of vector B, and the angle between the two vectors are given. In this vector, they are provided the vector in terms of a component format. So vector A is equal to be I plus 2j minus k, and vector B is equal to I minus 2j plus k. Yes. So this case is different and this case is different. Yes. So now look at here. So while solving this question, we have the formula. What is that formula? So vector A dot vector B is equal to be magnitude of vector A into magnitude of vector B into, it is cos theta. Yes. So now substitute the value. So value of this, it is 2 into, it is 3 into cos of 45 degree. Cos of 45 degree. So therefore this will become as in 6 into 1 divided by, it is root 2. Otherwise it will return in the format of root 2 into 3 units. Okay. So why I written here units means it is the length of that shadow what we seen yesterday. That is the geometrical meaning of the dot product here. Yes. So now this is another example here. So in this case here A is given in terms of vector component and B is also given in the vector component. Okay. So now we require to be known about the general method to solve such kind of examples here. Name example as same kind of examples will be they will ask here. Okay. So now let's talk about this. So let's understand vector A. So vector A is given in the format of A1i plus A2j plus A3k. Okay. And vector B is given in the B1i plus B2j plus B3k. So here I am discussing the general method to solve such kind of examples here. How to solve such kind of examples. So now I taken two vectors here. Vector A is in this format and vector B is in this format here. Yes. So now we require to find out what is the value of vector A dot vector B. So vector A dot vector B means actually it is the multiplication we are doing here. Okay. So now A1i plus A2j plus A3k. Into bracket we have B1i plus B2j plus B3k. Yes. So now look at here. So we have to multiply this bracket with this bracket. So means it is clear that every element of this bracket is multiplied with this bracket only. Yes. So now, so A1 into B1. Yes. I into I. So means I dot I here. Yes. So now A1 into B2, I dot J. Next A1 into B3, then I dot k is. Is that clear? Yes. So, but before moving to get these values, let's understand here. What is that? Look at here. So this is, we have our coordinate axis. So this concept you know, but I will explain it. X, Y, it is Z. So a unit vector along x axis it is I, and unit vector along y axis it is j, and unit vector along z axis it is k. Okay, so we know this. Yes. So now here we are calculating I dot I here. So what is the I dot I? We are calculating the dot product of two vectors, and two vectors are unique vectors. And now one vector is along this way only, and another vector is along also in this way. So means by the formula I can write here magnitude of I into cos of angle. Angle is 0 degree because they are traveling in the same direction and along the x axis. So therefore unit vector whose magnitude is 1 and it is also 1. This is also 1. So therefore I dot I it is always equal to be 1. Okay. Suppose if I considered I dot j, I vector is this side and j vector it is in this side. Since x axis and y axis both are perpendicular to each other, and the angle between the two axes it is always 90 degree. Is that clear? So in this case, magnitude of I into magnitude of j into cos of 90 degree. So cos 90 degree it is 0. So therefore entire multiplication is equal to be 0. So I dot j it is 0 it is. Yes. So look at here. In the similar way, I can define j dot j. So j dot k it is also 1. K dot k it is also 1 it is. Yes. So now here I dot j and j dot k are k dot j and I dot k. These three are 0. So you should remember these all the properties from your 12th class. So just I repeated here. So now look at here. So a1 into b1. I dot I it is 1. So therefore I get here a1 b1 it is. Yes. So plus a1 into b2. But I dot j value it is 0. So 0 into anything it is again 0. I will not write that value. Next a1 into b3. But k into I it is 0. So therefore the rest of terms multiplied by I quantity with j and k they are vanishes. So therefore so don't write that value. Similarly we can get here a2 b2 plus a3 b3. So this is what given a dot b value is. Okay. So while the example is given in this format, you have to be used the formula for to solve such cases. So now look at here. So even I dot j. So what will happen? So a1, a2, a3, b1, b2 it is b3 value. Okay. So now so a1 it is 1. So 1 into b1 it is also 1 it is plus a2 it is 2, b2 it is minus 2. Next we have a3 it is minus 1 it is plus 1. Yes. So therefore it is 1 minus 4 minus 1. Therefore it is plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled, minus 4 is the answer. Yes. So remember how to solve such examples. Yes. So remember how to solve such kind of examples. For this we have directly formula. For this also we have directly formula, but it is in this way. We have to solve this example in this the direct way. Okay. So now write down these two examples and we'll go for another concept. Okay. So right. So let's move on. Another concept it is. Okay, so let's move on. Another concept of the vector it is second, it is the cross product of vectors. So this is another concept. So one we studied what is the dot product, and another it is the cross product it is. Okay, on this theory dot, cross and SDP scalar total product of vector, we'll solve more examples. First understand what is the theory test. Okay, so now let's move on the definition. What definition says? Let A and B vector, any non-zero vectors. These are the non-zero vectors. Then the cross product of A and B is denoted by A cross it is B. So A cross B, it is not multiplication. Okay, remember that. It is just a cross product, it is an operation like. So A cross B, and it is defined as magnitude of A into magnitude of B into sin theta into n cap. So this is what the definition of your definition of the cross product it is. The cross product of any two vector it is denoted by A cross B, and it is defined as A vector, so magnitude of A vector into magnitude of B vector into sin theta into n cap. So what is n cap here? So n cap, it is nothing but it is showing the direction of A cross B. So direction of A cross B. It is mean that let's understand one vector is traveling this way. Okay. So this is what the vector A, and another vector traveling in this way. So this is what your vector B is. So vector B is. So now the A cross B it is. So now look at here. This is what your A. This is what your vector B. So now your A cross B vector it is always perpendicular to these two vectors. ಈ ಎರಡು vector ಗೆ ಆ A cross B ಏನಿರ್ತದೆ perpendicular ಇರ್ತದೆ. Okay. So remember that. So now look at this. So I will tell you. So this is what your vector A, and this is what your vector B. So A vector and B vector are traveling this way. Yes. So now there is some angle made by these two vectors, and that angle will be calculated by sin theta. And another thing, the direction of this A cross B. So it is always perpendicular. ಯಾವ direction ಒಳಗೆ ಇರ್ತದೆ? ಈ ತರ ಇರ್ತದೆ. Okay. So this is what your the direction of here the A cross B value. So now this is also here I will show you. So this is what your the direction. So this is what your the direction is. So this will become as your A cross B. So in generally we denote the A cross B by n cap only. So n cap it is nothing but it is the unit vector along the A cross B. So means E vector the direction ತೋರಿಸೋಸಲುವಾಗಿ ಇದನ್ನು ಬರೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So means it is clear that the cross product of vector it is always a vector quantity. Previous case what we studied, the dot product of the vector it is always a vector scalar quantity. Dot ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು scalar quantity ಆಗ್ತದೆ, cross ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು vector quantity ಅನ್ಸ್ಕೊಳ್ತದೆ. So that's why it is called also vector product ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. Vector it is product. We call it as the vector product it is. Okay. So now look at here. So this is what your vector product, and this is what your the value. Okay. So look, while solving examples, you can use this formula when the angle is given. When the angle theta is given here. Yes. But in the case of if the vectors are given in this format, ಯಾವ format ಒಳಗಡೆ so vector A ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, it is a1i plus a2j plus a3k. Yes. So now here we have B vector, it is b1i plus b2j plus b3k. So then if you want to find out the A cross B, it is always equal to the determinant value of I, j, k. Yes. And a1, a2, a3. So b1, b2, b. So this is what the formula to solve the example at here. But one thing you have to remember here, while writing these two rows, don't have to interchange. In the interchange ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ. So why? Because of why? Here A cross B is a vector quantity, so it has a particular direction also. If you want to change these two rows, so means it is get multiplied by minus. So ನಿಮಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬಹುದು, determinant ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳಿ, if any two rows are interchanged, then the value of the determinant is get multiplied by minus quantity ಅದು multiply ಆಗ್ತದೆ. Is that clear? So therefore from this you can see that the property number 1 is, so what is that? A cross B it is not equal to B cross A. B cross A ಆಗಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. It is not possible. But second property ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳಿ, A cross B is always equal to minus of B cross A. A cross B is equal to the minus of B cross A. But A cross B is not equal to B cross A. So this property means it is the commutative property ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. 2 into 3 are 3 into 2 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. case ಒಳಗಡೆ commutative law hold ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. It is not possible to hold the commutative law in this case. Okay, so A cross B is equal to B cross A. A cross B is equal to minus of B cross A, but it is not equal. This is the second property. So let's move on. The third property is if theta is 0, what happens? If theta is 0, so then what can I say? Vector A cross vector B is equal to, it is 0, because sin 0 value it is 0. It is sin 0 value it is 0. It is means that A and B vectors are parallel vectors there. So means what we studied in the collinear vector, the collinear vector at here. So you have the collinear vector ಅಥವಾ parallel vector ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ A cross B value ಇರ್ತದೆ 0. That's why the angle it is 0 here. So otherwise A vector 0 ಇರಬಹುದು ಅಥವಾ B vector 0 ಇರಬಹುದು. So ಈ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇದಂತದೆ. So this is called the parallelism, parallel condition. It is called the parallel condition of vector. Condition of vectors. Parallel condition of vectors. So remember this and this all things. Yes. So ಇದನ್ನ ನಮಗೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಬಹುದು ಮುಂದೆ. Okay. So remember this all things and now yes. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕೇಳೋದೇನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ if suppose ಕೇಳಬಹುದು ಏನಂತಂದ್ರೆ find A cross B if the given angle here, otherwise find A and B, A cross B value, you can use this format here also. Yes. So let's solve an example on this A cross product, then go for another property. Yes. So what is that? So let us solve an example here. Yes. Example it is if A vector is given in the format of 2i minus 2j plus 4k. Okay. And vector B is given in the format of I minus 2j plus 2k. I minus 2j plus 2k. So then find A cross it is B here. So now look at here. This example is given in this format only. Okay. If this format is given means what to write. So now I have to write here solution. So what is the rule? A cross B it is written in the format of I, J, K, A1, A2, it is A3, B1, B2, it is B3. Yes. So now write down here I, J and K value A1, A2, A3. So 2 minus 2 it is 4. So 2 minus 2 it is 4. Next we have 1 minus 2 it is 2 here. So now you know how to simplify a determinant here. So apply that rule here. So on that we get here the value. It is in the way. Yes. What is that? So it is equal to I into bracket open or expand this determinant. 2 into 2 it is 4. It is minus 4. Okay. 2 into 4 it is 8. But here we have already minus. So this will become as a plus 8 here. Okay. So next minus j into bracket we have 2 into 2 it is 4. So 4 minus it is again 4 it is 4 into 1 it is minus 4. So next we have plus k into bracket. So next we have right here. So what can I write? So minus 2 into 2 it is minus 4. Okay. So next it is plus 2 it is. So now simplify it is minus 4 plus 8 it is 4i. Next 4 minus 4 it is 0. So minus 0 into j. Next we have it is minus 2 into k. Otherwise you can write this value in the format of 4i minus 2k. So now look at here. After simplification of these two vectors we are getting here our vector quantity only. So that's why the cross product of vector it is also called as the vector product of the vectors in front. Okay. So remember this all procedure and write down this example. So we'll go for another concept here. Yes. So write down this example.